And root. Oh, Tony. Oh, honey. We're not. No.
We're not doing that. Come on. You're not doing anything on the people's property, okay? Are Mom or Dad coming?
Yep.
So can we walk back to school? No. We can wait in school or we can wait in my squad car. Those are your two options right now. Right. Come on. I'm not going to fight with you. Please walk with me. We can't damage people's property and we can't hurt anybody. You understand that? You know that.
Do you want one of us to help you?
Yes. Come on.
This one's right there.
Come on.
It's gonna hurt if your knees are on the ground.
My cord is on his way, so she wants to wait here until he gets through them. Are you gonna walk to my car? Huh?
For a return call for restraining.
Tone. You might want to grab that. No, please.
You're okay.
You were safe. You got it line.
I've got to get you. Do you ever take people out? Do I grab from the other side or I should see if she's sitting there? You just sit in the seat.
How do you get through this?
Okay.
You're okay?
You're okay.
Do you want to sit up? Should we call medics?
Yeah.
Hey, don't hit. Do not hit, please. I know you're mad, but don't hit us.
Don't think Dad does it.
Okay. I'm gonna let you go. Don't kick though, okay? Hey, if we let you go, you can just relax. Or do we have to hold you? Are you okay if we let you go? Can you relax? Okay. I'm gonna trust you. You just sit. Don't do that. Come on. It's expensive stuff. What about today?
No, you can't have that.
Now you're just playing games with me. I know you are.
No, you can't break stuff.
Fix that.
Do you know where Dad's coming from?
Come on.
Would he be scared of a
Well, at this point, I think we have to. We've had to do this before. If she doesn't calm down, she gets sedated by how fast she's been through it. But that's the only thing that...
You don't have to fight. You're okay. You're safe. We will leave you alone, but we can't have you breaking things or hurting yourself. Are you going to be okay if I shut the door? Yeah? Okay. Thank you. You're okay. You're okay. If you feel trapped, I can open a window.
2639 status.
Want me to sit in there?
You don't want to be in here with the door shut?
I don't think so.
If we don't shut the doors if you calm down. If you can sit here like this, we're fine. Can you do that?
First Avenue still open, Douglas?
Come on. You said you'd
We're
sit in
okay.
here.
Okay. No.
Jeez. That would be real bad.
Do we need to handcuff you? I don't want to do that, but you can't just start grabbing
Yeah, we
things that
can
don't belong
seatbelt
to
you
you.
and we can handcuff you. Who's this guy?
Hi. Dad's here. Here.
4460 cars remaining only on a driving complaint. Eastbound 94 at Cleveland, where 2 feet suddenly pulled off on the highway right hand shoulder. Information only at 1253.
I don't want to have to do this. Why? What is the point? They're gonna come and you know what happens then?
She threw a brick at a staff member. And that's when I put hands on her, and then she started kicking and punching me. She actually hit that truck right there, so we're gonna damage property too.
Okay. Hit it with the brick?
Yep.
21 Lincoln 41, what do you have?
Out of control, juvenile female.
Why?
Does that make you feel better?
Doesn't make any sense. Doesn't change anything, does it?
Okay, we can't damage the camera.
I didn't know that was in
Go
there.
away!
We
Where do you
can't
want us to
because
go?
right now you're kicking stuff, trying to break stuff.
We
I
go
don't
away
want
when you stop misbehaving.
Close the door then!
Okay, we
Are you
said
gonna
we would
stop
do
kicking
that.
stuff?
Fine!
Thank you.
We asked you politely.
Let me out!
Hey guys. Hello.
Let me out!
Can you talk to me?
Let me out!
Can you talk to me or not? If you can't talk to me, the ambulance will talk to you.
Let me out.
Can you tell me what's going on?
I hate school, I hate work, and I want to die. That's what's wrong.
Okay, so you're not going to listen to me right now.
I want to go.
You want to go where? Okay, then you have to be calm.
I've been calm for like hours.
Beating on the police car isn't calm.
That's my original calm.
Okay, I'm going to give you a minute to be
I wasn't
calm.
breaking anything, so I'm calm.
It's not gonna
No. It came out across the
So,
Bravo.
I'm going to go behind the car again and let you calm down, okay?
No, let me out.
No, you have to be calm.
So we may not even need them.
Yep, that's fine.
Okay.
We figure out the stuff.
Yeah, we will. We'll let you know.
We got the stuff.
We'll be in touch.
Okay.
Okay.
See you later. Thank you.